Namaste everyone. Today we are going to make Pesarattu Dosa, a protein-packed healthy breakfast using whole moong dal. Ingredients: whole moong, ginger, onion, green chilies and ghee. Step 1. Soak whole moong for 4 to 6 hours. Step 2. Add soaked moong, chilies, ginger and salt to a mixture jar along with a little water, enough to make a thick batter. Step 3. Heat a non-stick pan, pour batter on the pan and spread it in a thin layer like dosa. Step 4. Pour little ghee on the edges. Sprinkle some onions or any vegetable of your choice. When the dosa turns golden brown, fold it and remove it from the pan. Step 5. Serve Pesarattu dosa with coconut or tomato chutney. Thank you.